Hello everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Ryan. I had another video that I made, but seeing as how I'm not a video expert as my wife is, this is what I've ended up with. So first of all, we've made the base for our potato goulash. That is cream of mushroom soup by two, some corn, some delicious ground beef, and a secret ingredient that my wife swears by and that my mother-in-law uses that I can't give up here. But here's the secret, it's not Chemical X. We're not making the Powerpuff Girls, we're making the tater tot hot dish. So here we go. We're stirring, la 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 la. Got this guy cooking in here. Cooking. And then it looks like we have a little bit of time left over there. Pardon the mess in here. As a husband, as so many of you wives know, we're messy. Very, very messy. So we got some tater tots here. Let's take a look and see if they are deliciously cooked or if they are horrifyingly undone. So first we grab one of the... So first of all, we'll let the tater tots cool off a little bit before we grab them in our hands. There we go. Look how delicious these tater tots are. Delicious. Ow! Okay, we're gonna burn them all a little bit. No harm, no foul, is what they say. Those tater tots could stand to be cooked a little bit more, I think. So we're going to put them in ever so gently into the very hot stove. Oh! That will blow hot steam in my face. A warning to all husbands. Tater tot hot dish is easy to make, and it will make the wife happy, but don't burn yourself. Give me 1 second so I can get those tater tots done to crispy goldenness, and then I'll come right back. Welcome back, it's me again. Here again. I just did the taste test of the stuff I was cooking. It needs a wee bit more salt, so we'll give it a dash of salt in there. Stir that bad boy up. Let's go see what wifey says. Pardon the mess, everyone. Pardon the mess. We're gonna move past that. We're doing a little bit of cleaning today. I have went from full-time working at the factory to full-time cooking until I get my next job. So, Lovey, would you please tell me what you feel? Does it need more salt? Does it need more oomph? Does it need more cha-cha-cha? She says it's delicious. 3 stars. Or 0 stars. I couldn't tell, to be honest. So we're going to go back to the mess. Pardon the mess. My wife is a whatnot dealer. She sells stuff on whatnot. So we have a little bit of stuff that we're working through. Don't mind that. We go back to here. The tater tots smell like they are golden brown or black and musky. Let's take a look and see what's going on. Oh, yep. All right. So I made this mistake last time, but I won't make it again. I'm going to try the delicious tater tot, but I'm blowing on it. See, everybody? Look at that. He can be taught. All you wives out there that say husbands can't be taught. Oh my gosh, they're hot. Oh, I can't be taught. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so they are crunchy and delicious and very, very hot. But thankfully, no husbands were harmed in the making of this video. We'll stir this guy up a little bit, and we will start adding the delicious tater tots to the delicious meal. Delicious meal. Don't worry, everybody. I washed my hands once last week, so it's okay. My wife just said, delicious. Or ew. So, we're stirring in the tater tots now, making a delicious stew of... Oh! Now we're going to use something else to pick up tater tots besides our bare hands, because husbands can be taught. I promise you, wives, husbands can be taught. They can be taught. We learn We learn by making terrible decisions, but we learn. Wife says, no, they can't. We learn nothing. I say, ha-ha to that. I am using tools like an ape. But anyways, we are adding to the pot, adding to the pot, adding to the pot, adding to the pot. We got this going now. We're going to give this a quick stir. We will take another taste for the wife. I don't want to drip on the floor. Pardon the mess again. We're going out. We're going out. We're going out. Going out. Going out. Now let's find out what the chef says.
I'm not a chef. You are.
Okay. Here you are, chef. Or here you are, wife. My wife is going to love it this time. Careful, it's hot because I have burned myself horribly on it. She blows on it. She knows the secret. What do you think? Is it delicious? All right then. Excellent. Let's go back out here really quick. We will go take a look at me plating the delicious meal. Hopefully it's a 5-star meal for a 5-star woman. We will get it done here. I'm going to bring this down to a low. I will... And we will use a clean plate. Yes, husbands are dumb. Sometimes. Okay. So pardon the terrible angles and everything else. We will plate this delicious meal. Look at that. Da-da-da. 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 Got that going. Look at how delicious that looks. And if you say ew, you're not from Minnesota. Most likely. Because some of you guys don't know what a tater tot hot dish is. And you're like, what is tater tot hot dish there, boss? Well, tater tot hot dish is a delicious treat for my wife to eat. And everybody in Minnesota knows what it is. It's easy to make. It is cheap. It is delicious.
It is comfort food at its best.
Comfort food at its best when we're having a hard time with other issues. So let's let the wife blow it off. You can see the steam coming off it. You can see the love and care that she's putting into every delicious bite. There's Pug saying, please, sir, may I have another? Not that I've given her the first one. Wife is blowing off the steam. Wife does not have to be taught because she knows that things are hot. Unlike husband, who sometimes has his issues, I will admit. Not necessarily a bad thing, not necessarily a good thing. And the wife says, what? She's doing the happy dance, guys. The happy dance. So if you are in Minnesota, you want to be in Minnesota, you live in Minnesota, you want to date a Minnesotan girl, learn to make the Minnesotan hot dish.
Especially when we have this outside.
This lovely, let's take a quick look at that too. Because when it is cold, miserable and terrible, pardon the mess, whatnot or still, when it's cold, miserable and terrible outside, we make delicious hot dish in Minnesota. And if you learn how to do it, you can probably get with any girl in Minnesota, single guys, and you can, Minnesota girls will keep you warm because you will be frozen to death. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching Ryan Tries to Cook. Tiffy, say goodnight. Bye, everybody.